Yeah, sorry guys for that. Hey, disturbance. Okay, so what I was saying, bensithi ke banda kwethu, aniziwatche. You see these errors. Yeah, no, watch these errors ezifana nale way. Fumaniseke uba umuntu uzawuma ngoba eyam ibhayibhile ithi eyam ibhayibhile ithi ezi bhayibhile ezi they don't speak the same thing. And ngoku asina-choice thina, we have to into nobana sizijonge zonke, because if sizakwenza this thing we have to look. Uba uzawubambe iyi-one uzawuba sesuphini. Okay, anyway, so now what it says here ne, sibamba apha kuKing James umzekelo, okanye soyithatha apha ekuqaleni. Ndoko sasoloko sibamba uKing James, andiboni nebhetere ke, ziyafana nje zonke ezweni, yabo. For what will it profit a man if he gain the whole world and forfeits his soul? Or what shall a man give in a return for his soul? Yabo. Okay, ayikathethi le besiyibuza besithe mos thina siyaphi siyabona unobana ithini into kaJesus, yabo. This is what we were talking about. Ithini into yakhe uJesus, yabo. Khameke kabe ndolungisa something phaa qa. Nje into zikaJesus sizawuzihoya ngoku madoda. Iyandihlupha le fowuni kanjani yasayidwa. Okay. But yes, so sorry. Now let us proceed. Next chapter, 27. For the Son of Man is going to come with his angels in the glory of his Father. And then he will repay each person according to what he has done. Uyayigeta ke ngoba. So apha siyaxelelwa when the Son of Man returns, he is going to come back. So Jesus apha uyapromise ukuthi uzawubuya, or uMatthew uyachaza uba i-Son of Man is going to come. Uxelela aba abaxelelayo. Uyabo? Yeah. So apha ngusirida apha ukuthi uzawubuya nini uJesus? Uzawubuya nini Matthew? Siyava the Son will come. Yabo, with his angels and in glory of his Father, and he will repay each person according to what he has done. Maske sijonge la NLT phaa usiqhathayo too much ndibe ngicimba fanele ugrand. For the Son of Man will come with his angels in the glory of his Father, and he will judge all people according to their deeds. Yabo, athi uKing James yena, for the Son of Man shall come in the glory of his Father with his angels, and then he shall reward every man according to his works. Yabo. So apha into eyenziwayo apha kuthethwa into enye ngendlela ezahlukeneyo. Yabo, ilahleka kwesi sibini meaning. What is the use of uba kuthethwe into enye ngendlela ezahlukeneyo? Because if it is necessary, that thing, it means whoever was writing wayuse amagama in a level that is only understood by certain people. Other people won't understood. That's why we need a translation, because something that can be understood by everyone, there's no need for you to explain it again and make another version. You see, kwale nto kudingeka ukwenzeka kwenye iversion, it means ayivakali le nto ibhalwe apha, because jonga umzekelo amagama afana his angel in the glory of his Father. What is that, the glory of his Father? You get what I'm trying to say? Angaske achaze straight nje le nto imelwe leli gama lithi glory of his Father, because this word glory of his Father means something. You see, ebuqaqawulini kuthini uqaqawula? Ebukumkaneni uzawuza neengilosi zakhe esebukumkaneni bamazulu. Uthetha ukuthini xa usithi esebukumkani? Meaning uzabe ehamba nezo ngilosi zizabe zisuka kwelo lizwe, outside of the space. Meaning uzabe among the alien hosts that will come, which we called today extraterrestrials. These are the things that ababaleka ukuzithetha. when they use these words, these people, to trick us and leave us confused nathi sibe sifuna uxabana ngento engakhange ibhalwe sithi thina, we have to decipher instead of fighting. Yabo. Okay, so the man, when he come now, he's going to come and pay wonke umuntu, meaning izaba i-judgment time when this man come, because kuthiwa he is going to come in his glory, in the glory of, in his father's glory, and reward every man, meaning this is the end of time apha lekuthethwa ngayo ne. Okay, asikaxesha ixesha apha likachazwa uba le nto iza kwenzeka nini. Siyokhangela ixesha, saphinda sathi 28. Yabo. Then ke ngoku ithi ke ngoku le way, bona ke esi scripture is, I wish if besivele kwiBhayibhile as the fullest, so that okay, we're gonna check it somewhere, or maybe kwelinye icala, but masikhabe sifunda apha nguJesus lo ngule nto lo kule ncwadi kaMatthew, nguJesus lo uthetha apha. Yabo, because alele way ayiqali kule ndawo. That's why I said, okay, Matthew 16:28. Okay, masikhangelela kanjani le nto kaMatthew, sikhangele ngokwebhuku le nto kaMatthew. Theni sivela phi apho zivela zonke? Okay, nansi ke masi-expand. Kuthiwa Matthew bana ne, Matthew 28, 16:28. Okay, 16:27. Okay, make siyijonge, sifuna siyiconfirme loo nto if nguJesus lo who is telling these people. Okay, jonga ke ngoku kuthiwa napha kule first section, this section leyokuqala ne, kuthiwa this section ends with a controversial comment from Jesus to his closest followers. Nantso le nto bendifuna uyithetha, yava? It's Jesus saying this to his closest followers. He has affirmed his role as the Messiah, yabo, and declared that he will come in glory to repay each person for his deeds. Yava? Kuthiwa now he adds that some standing near to hear those words would not die before seeing the Son of Man coming in his kingdom. Who are those? Can you get this thing? Apa itolikwe kamandi apa ku-27. Now he adds, Jesus in himself, meaning this brother is here in time, real time, when this thing was happening. Meaning apa kwangabhalwa apa during this event. When it was happening, no one was writing. It was an experience and manifestation. So the man was here real time. He is telling the other brethren, ba, yabona bantakwethu, xa unyana womntu ebuya, and uboqaphela kunala magama synonymous ongasoze ufane